Hey guys, welcome to Unreal Starter Kit. Today we will be making an easy to follow, very quick and short tutorial on automatic light. So if you go in a certain area, the light will turn on. When you leave, it will turn off automatically. Okay, so let's get started. This is very quick and easy. So first let's add in a light. I will be using the spotlight. Put the spotlight up here. Okay, the next thing that I'll be adding will be a trigger. For this one, I'll be using the trigger sphere. Let's put it in the middle here. Change up the scale to maybe 5. I think that will be fine. So to do this, we need to click on the sphere trigger. And let's go to our open level blueprint. Make sure that your sphere trigger is selected. So now let's find a place here. We're going to right click, add event. You'll see once your sphere trigger is selected, it will say create a reference to trigger sphere. So now we want to add event for trigger sphere. We want to go to collision, add on actor begin overlap, and then we want to add another one, add event trigger, collision, add on actor end overlap. Okay, so from other actor we will cast to third person character. If you're using the first person, that will be the first person character or your custom character that you created. Now let's go back to the level. We want to select our spotlight. Okay, now that we have our spotlight selected, let's right click, create a reference to spotlight, and out of the blue outlet let's drag it out, and we want to set intensity spotlight. Okay, so the new intensity, let's make this 5000, and then we want to drag in cost from cost BP to set intensity. Let's select these, Control C, Control V, and we put it in there, object to other actor, and the new intensity we'll put 0. Okay, let's just compile this and save. Let's minimize this. If we want to start and we want this light to be off, the intensity we will set it to 0. Okay, let's just make the level darker. Let's press Control and L to make it a little bit darker, like that should do. Okay, now let's test it out and play. There it comes on. When we leave it, it goes off. When we go into the area, it goes on. When we leave, it will go off. Okay, it's as simple as that. I hope this video helped you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.